All right, so those showers George was just talking about not going to stop people who are already enjoying the Black Friday deals. Channel 9's Karen Parks live at the Florida Mall. She may have snuck in a little shopping herself. And Karen, you're not alone out there. There's so many people around you.
George, you are not supposed to tell that secret. But it has been packed for hours. If you remember earlier, we were in one of the anchored stores. Now we're actually inside of the mall. Now, some stores opened at 2, while others opened at 4. The parking lot is packed. Lines are long. But check it out. Everyone is having a blast.
This is crazy. I've never seen a line like this.
Seeing this, I'm ready to go back home.
My daughters came down from Georgia so we could all be together.
We just kind of changed the tradition a little bit so we could shop.
And everything has sales, and I get to have clothes. Hurry, hurry!
We got the best prices!
All we need a little Christmas right this very minute. Candles in the window, carols in the spinning.
What are you planning on buying?
I'm here for her. She's the shopping expert. I'm just here to elbow people out of the way. Yeah.
Now, many of the stores will be open throughout the night, but all of the stores are not open, so you may want to call before making the trip. Reporting live here inside Florida Mall, Karen Parks, Channel 9 Eyewitness News.